I have a question. Okay. Now I have a question. What begins with E and rhymes with extenuating circumstances? That's right, extenuating circumstances, which is why I'm doing a pre-recorded right now. Check this out. Goddamn right. Oh. Nope. Fuck that table. We're going over here. I need to get a haircut. Jesus. Okay, let's try and style this on video because no one's gonna watch this shit anyways. That's not normal. What the fuck is this, like, stuff coming out the front like that? Can't it just, like, go back? Maybe you should just try the other side. That's even worse. Okay. That's so bad. All right, doesn't matter. God damn. Okay. Oh, it's all done. And plus, we're elitists. The toilet paper in my house is thick, so we're good. Goodbye. Fuck off.